and welcome to my channel. My name is Rita. Today I'm participating in a collab hosted by Kenya. Her channel name is Kenya's Decor Corner, and she has asked us to decorate a summer lantern today. So I will link her channel below as well as the playlist so you can see what all the other creators have come up with. And if you are a subscriber, thank you so much. If you're not and you like what you see on my channel, please subscribe and hit the notification bell to be notified of upcoming videos. Thank you so much, and let's get right to creating. Okay, today I'm going to use this lantern and some of the fairy lights. As you can see, I've placed some decorative balls in the lantern along with the fairy lights. I'll also be using this greenery, and I'll just place it around the bottom of the lantern, and I'll be using some sunflowers and some material. So I'll just let you watch and see how I put this together. And here it is, guys. It was really quick and easy to do. I added some faux sunflowers, the greenery at the bottom, added some decorative balls and fairy lights inside, and that is just some fat quarter material. I put one piece inside and then tied the bundle of flowers together with the other and looped it around. I think it turned out really pretty. Looks just like summer to me. So thank you, Kenya, for hosting this collab today. I really enjoyed putting this together. And here's the night view. I hope you enjoyed the video today. Thank you so much for watching. Thanks to all my subscribers. If you're not a subscriber, I would love to have you join. Thanks again, and I will see you in my next video.